guessing your house is being used for probably 12 more things than you're used to, right? My name's Jessica, and I am the owner of the professional organizing company, Organized Mamas at Home, and the media company and blog, The Organized Mama. With our homes being so crazy right now, it is so important for you to have a spot where you can just kind of sit, relax, and get yourself together. I have 5 simple ways that you can transform any spot in your house to bring you tranquility. First, you're going to need to find a space that has little to no distraction. Typically, I recommend doing this in the bedroom, but sometimes your bedroom has to be your office space too. And then if that's the case, I'd suggest finding a different area for your calm and tranquil space. Once you've found that space or corner, it's time to remove any clutter that is around. Clutter is known to be a huge anxiety for most people. So remove that from your space in order to give it a calm and tranquil appeal. Add a natural element to the space, like a plant or flower. It just makes you feel more in touch with nature and brings your body a sense of calm. Keep it simple. Let's say you really enjoy reading and you just want a quiet spot to cozy up and read. Give yourself a corner with a chair, a table, a book, and a blanket, and it is the perfect spot for you to have a little bit of serenity within your home. My 5th tip is to actually use the space. Finding this quiet space and time has helped just get me set for the day. So that is my goal for you when working and trying to find a tranquil spot within your home. I hope you found these tips really useful. You can find me over at Organized Mamas. I'd love to see you there.